Learn to prototype in 2 minutes. You can find the Figma file in the description. So let's first create a design. Then, your next step is to link the screens together. Go to the Prototype tab. Select your button and you can see on the right side a dot. That you need to click and drag to your preferred screen. In the interaction details, set your animation to dissolve with a time of 100 milliseconds. Most apps and web pages don't load instantly. By having a little transition between your screens, it makes your prototype feel more natural. Now let's link all the screens together. With these back buttons, instead of linking them individually to their previous screens, we can make them link automatically. Select all your back buttons and create a new interaction. Open your interaction details. Instead of none, choose back. Now you have a working prototype where you can go through all the screens. But we can make it better by making smart animations between some screens. For example, we can make the keyboard appear from the bottom. Copy and paste the keyboard into the previous screen and move it out of view. And also do it with the other keyboard. Now we change the animation from dissolve to smart animate, and we change the time to 300 milliseconds because the animation otherwise feels too fast. Also change it for the other screen. And let's do it all again for this screen. You can also use Smart Animate to create a fun transition. Let's create a circle that has the same color as the background of the last screen. Let's make the background of this screen black. Now we copy-paste the circle and make it the size to fill the entire screen. Let's give the circle in the previous screen 0 opacity. And now change the animation to Smart Animate. Oh, and let's put the circle in the background. And that's it. Now you've made a functional and good-looking prototype. Great job.